Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn basic function of Excel, that is left function. So let's see what is the syntax of left function. So every function starts with is equal to sign, is equal to left, then we will give text and number of characters. Number of characters are specified in square bracket. That means it's an optional thing. You can skip it. So if you skip it, if you skip this argument, then function will assume that the number of characters is 1. So what this function does, this function displays specified number of characters from the left hand side of a text. So let's see how it works. Let's move the example. Here is a list of text, and I'm going to find out number of character. I will give number of character here and I will get output here. So let's see how it works. So syntax is equal to left. Once you start typing, you will get list of functions. Here large, LCM, left, len. So I want left function, so I have put my selection here, and then I can hit tab button. It will automatically get that function. So here screen is showing that I need to give text. So my text would be hello world. After hello, I need to specify number of characters. So I'm after text, first I need to put comma. After that I will give number of characters here. So I will select this cell, then I will close parenthesis. So it is showing nothing because I haven't put any character. So I need 2 characters from the left hand side of this text. So I got HE because it started from HE, and I have specified 2 number of characters, so it has been given like HE. So likewise, if I need 3 characters here, then I will type left tab. I'll select this number of characters. I will close. Sorry, I forgot to put comma. It is very important that we go with the syntax. Now I need to specify number of characters. Okay, let's once again use the function left. So number of characters, sorry, text. I have to give text. So text, after text I will give comma, and I will give number of characters and close the parenthesis. So see, I got 3 characters from the left of ice cream. So yeah, that's correct. So here I want 6 characters. So I'll put left function, I'll give text comma, then 6 number of characters. So I got Steven. So suppose I need 2 characters again. So again left tab text comma of characters. So I got Alan. So here I'll give 1 character. So I because the first character of apple is A, so I got A. So here LEFT again I need four characters, so I'll give text. In this text I need first four characters from the left of the text. So it is was GALA, and here if you see I have given number of characters in the function itself. You can give number of characters in function itself. So suppose I need left characters of this function, and I need to return all the characters of the text. So what I can do, I can use len function, and then I have to give text. So I'll give text of this character. So I will close the parenthesis of len, then I will close the parenthesis of left. So let's see how it works. So I got galaxy. So what it did, I have given C17 is this galaxy text, and I need number of characters which will be calculated by len function. So len, what len calculates, let's see. If I give len function here, it is giving me 6. So what is our requirement of len function is, first we need to give text, then we need to give number of characters. So len function is giving us number of characters, like number. It is giving me 6 numbers, so I need all the 6 characters from the galaxy. So I got galaxy whole word here. So those who are not aware about len function can check my previous videos. In that video I have told you guys that len function is very small, but it can be very useful in your calculations, in your formulas. So there are multiple ways to calculate such kind of thing, but here I have just shown you basic use of left function. We have also included len function again. I'm not going into detail of the len function. Now we have covered all the things of len function. If you have any question, any concern regarding this len function, you can comment down below. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching videos.